Enabling biometric login on your Capital One account can enhance your security and make accessing your account more convenient. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Capital One app. Download and install the Capital One mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Launch the app on your device. Step 2. Sign into your account. Enter your username and password to log into your Capital One account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 3. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option within the app. Step 4. Enable biometric login. Before changing your settings, use the @com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Test the biometric login. Log out of your account and attempt to log back in using your fingerprint or facial recognition. Ensure that the biometric feature works correctly for future logins. By following these steps, you can easily enable biometric login on your Capital One account, making it quicker and safer to access your financial information. Enjoy the convenience and security that comes with this feature.